Hi, this is Melissa with From A to Disney. Over the past several weeks, we've been really missing the Disneyland Resort and we can't wait for it to open back up again. In the meantime, we've been keeping ourselves busy by doing some of the recipes that Disney has released. And today I'm going to share with you our favorite one. It's Jack Jack's Num Num Cookies. Now these are served at Pixar Pier, kind of by the entrance to the Incredicoaster. They're a chocolate chip cookie that are served warm and they are delicious. And so let's get started. You can find this recipe on Pixar's Instagram account and we are gonna leave a link to it in the description. For this recipe, you're gonna need 2 cubes of butter, 1 1/4 cup of brown sugar, 1/4 cup of granulated sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of sea salt, 1 teaspoon of vanilla. For your eggs, you're gonna have 1 egg plus 1 egg yolk. And then you're also going to have a cup of chocolate chips, 2 1/4 cups of flour, and then you'll need cupcake wrappers. The first thing you're going to want to do is to brown your butter. This can be done in a saucepan, but I prefer to do it in a frying pan. You're going to do it over a medium heat, and you're going to use a whisk to stir. I'm going to do a time-lapse video of it so you can kind of see what happens to the butter as you brown it. First, it'll melt, obviously, and then it'll get kind of frothy. And then it'll start to turn brown and it'll have like a nutty aroma. As soon as you can see that it's turned brown, you're going to remove it from the stove and pour it into a separate bowl. If it starts to turn black, it's gone too far, you'll have to start over again. Okay, you can see now that your butter is all browned. So you're going to go ahead and take it off the stove and use a rubber scraper. Pour it into your, see all that brown right there? You want all of that. So you're going to scrape it all out. And then you have to wait for the butter to cool before you can move on to your next step. While you're waiting for your butter to cool, you can get your cupcake wrappers ready. Just go ahead and flatten them. And then create a little lip around the edges. This recipe makes about 10 to 12 giant cookies. Once your butter is cooled, you're going to go ahead and combine it with your sugars and your salt and then cream it together until it's light and fluffy. Next, you're going to add your eggs and your vanilla. Right, next, you're going to add your dry ingredients, the baking powder and the flour. And finally, you're going to add your chocolate chips. Next, you're going to do probably 2 spoonfuls of the dough into each cupcake liner and flatten them out. Kind of shape them how you want them. And then make sure your cupcake liner is folded up like that. Okay, and then you'll just go on to the rest of them. Once you put your dough in your cupcake liners, you're gonna chill it in the refrigerator for 1 hour. And after that, you can put it in the oven at 350 for 9 to 11 minutes. Right, there you go. You have your fresh from the oven Jack Jack cookies. They are delicious. You've got to make these. You won't regret it. They're heavenly, and it'll make being away from the park a little bit easier. Thanks for watching this video. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel and leave a comment below. And remember, whether at home or at the park, make every day a Disney day.